Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this app can't be activated when UAC is enabled, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. So here's what you have to do. Search for UAC in the Windows search bar and click on Change User Account Control. Okay, now here's the thing. This is the slider for UAC and it has 4 levels. Simply push it one level up, click on OK, select settings for the administrator and try activating the app. And if it doesn't help, then simply push it to the highest level and try again. So basically what happens is that a lot of apps are such that for security reasons they need administrator permissions, and when they don't get those administrator permissions, I mean when the USC is at a lower level, then for security reasons the app gets blocked. So when you push it to the highest level, that will definitely solve the problem, but now it will be very buggy. I mean, you will have to give administrator permissions each and every time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.